What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, and today we're gonna be doing a review and on feet over these Air Jordan 13 reverse he got games, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, man. We're right around the corner from that 22K, man. Help your boy out. But the goal before the summer is to hit 30,000 subscribers, man. I know you guys can help me. All you gotta do is keep liking the content, comment down below, give me some of your feedback on some of these releases, and we're gonna definitely get to 30K by this summer, man. So I appreciate all of the support, man. Also, make sure you go follow me over on Instagram if you do not mind. It will be linked down below. My Instagram name is DeVintage World. Everything is DeVintage World, man. You follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Twitch. Everything is DeVintage World. And if you want to buy you some cheap sneakers, I have a website right now with a lot of my old shoes that I don't wear anymore. They're all very near dead stock, and I sold a couple shoes already, man. So make sure you go check it out. It will be linked down below as well. So all that being said, let's jump right into this quick review and on feet over these Air Jordan 13 reverse he got games, man. Let's get it. And I did get these things for under retail. I think I got it for like 160 bucks. You already know the PX getting them. I'm getting them for way under retail, man. So shouts out to the PX again for the love. Save me like at least 50 bucks because, you know, if you buy them in the store, you got to pay the tax. And these came 160 flat, man. So shouts out to the PX for that. But it's Air Jordan 13 Retro, of course. Retail 190 bucks. First colorway is black, gem red, white. The suggested retail is 190, like I said. And I usually get all my Air Jordan 13s in the size 9, but I can go to 8.5. But I would recommend everybody go true to size with the Air Jordan 13s. All right, guys, so you know I have to do it. A quick comparison over these two right here, man. Here goes the he got games, here goes the reverse he got games. Me personally, I think a lot of people's opinion is these are way better, but these are not a bad shoe at all. And I do believe these have like a little 3M in them. It's not a lot of stuff dropping in January, so this is kind of like one of those filler shoes. You got to give it a little bit of benefit of the doubt, and, you know, consider grabbing these shoes right here, man. So here you have it, the reverse and the he got games, man. Check them out, check them out. So you guys let me know right now which one you rocking with more, man. But for me, hands down, he got games. All right, so for the quick review, you know I'm gonna hit you guys with a lot of B-roll, but the first thing I wanted to point out that was super different from the regular he got games was this Jordan on the tongue, man. You know, on a regular he got games, we just got a red jump, man, but this one they gave us like it in the circle. I don't know why they did it. Maybe they just want to add a little bit more different touch to the shoe, because you guys do also know that they added a 3M strip right here and on the heel of the shoe, man, under that hologram Jordan logo. So I'm gonna definitely show you guys the 3M effects on this shoe. I feel like it makes the shoe pop a lot more because it is a predominantly black shoe. Got some nice tumble leather all on the toe box leading up to, you know, the whiskers on the side of the shoe, and on the inner of the shoe you have 3M as well, man. So I'm definitely gonna show you that. I feel like I said, that was a nice touch. Checking out the outsole, it is all white and black, and of course you got your carbon fiber plate, and you have that red hologram Jumpman on the bottom of your outsole as well. You didn't get any extra laces with these joints, just regular standard black laces. And of course, right on top of the toe box, man, you have your Jordan right here. Then you have the Roman numeral 13 on the back of that little Jordan tab down here. Some laces I think will go dope with these will be like all white. I don't think red will make it pop. You know, the black is what came with it, but I do feel like, you know, somebody threw some white laces in there, it would definitely go hard. On the inside of the shoe, you just get a regular cardboard shoe tree, and you have a black insole with that red Jumpman down there. And of course, you got your sizing sticker on the bottom of that insole as well. And one more thing that I want to point out with this shoe is that on the midsole as well, right under that 3M strip, you have like a sparkly look to your midsole, man. So very nice touch, very different from your regular he got games. I want to give you guys a nice little round view of the shoes. Me personally, I'm really digging this shoe. I don't feel like this was like an impulse buy. Of course, I was going to review the shoe for you guys anyways, but this one right here I think is a nice shoe to cop for this month. It's not a lot dropping. We are getting the black cast. They pushed the Jordan 6 DMPs back, so it's just like, what else you gonna buy? You know what I'm saying? So I went ahead, pulled the trigger on these, and of course I had to give you guys that review. I want you guys to let me know right now in the comment section below if you cop these shoes, if you're going to cop, if you was waiting for this review to figure out if you wanted to cop. Let me know all that down below in the comment section. And please give this video a huge like. You know, go for every video with 200 likes. So all you have to do is hit the like button, man. And also, if you don't mind, give your boy a share. I appreciate all of the support. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you follow me over on IG at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below. Buy some cheap shoes from my website, man. That'll be linked down below as well. And with all that being said, we about to jump right into this dope on feet over these reverse he got games, man. Let's get it.